What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I've made millions of dollars on the Solana blockchain from diving meme coins, and most importantly, how to find good narratives and turn them into meme coins. So if you are tired of losing money every single day trading meme coins, this video is for you. Chapter 1. Overview of token creation. Now my Phantom wallet shows exactly $5.3 million, all from diving meme coins on repeat. No hype, no trading, just diving that works over and over again. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I made it all happen. Now, just a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, trying to make a quick book on the side and quit my 9-to-5. But every single fucking time I bought inside a brand new meme coin that I saw trending, I got completely dumped on, just like this coin right here. And that's exactly when I realized the winners in this space, okay, are not trading these coins, but they're actually diving them. Because when you develop your own coins, you control everything. I'm talking the liquidity, the price, and the entire narrative of the coin. You control everything. And as a creator, you have nothing to lose because you are the guy behind the coin. But if you keep trading like usual, you will lose everything. Bro, it happened to me a couple times because you have no control over your position. It's the dev that controls everything, not you. That's exactly why I went from trading to deving, because now I can turn $100 into $1,000 and just rinse and repeat. And right now, Solana is above $230. So it's the best time to start diving meme coins. That's exactly why you have to be hopping on this trend right now. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. And by the way, this video is made with AI, so it's all fake. Chapter 2. Hunting viral meme coin. Now, as you guys may know, Pump.fun is a great way to dev meme coins because they just came out with a brand new feature where you can live stream meme coins and make money off of it. But that's completely false because Pump.fun feels easy, but it's completely saturated. Hundreds of coins and live streams are flooding the site every single minute, and most are dying before they can even start. So, if you do not have an audience, or you have nothing at all, you won't be able to make money on this platform. It's just completely oversaturated, and that's exactly why I completely switched to Solana token.Lab.io at all, because on this platform, your coin launches directly onto Radium, which means it's immediately graduated and migrated on the Radium DEX, and visible to real buyers instantly, which means thousands of people are going to view your coin, and you will be able to get a piece of that cake. That's how you get exposure and control from day one, and that's how you make generational wealth. That's exactly why thousands of people are making coins on Solana token.Labs.io. It's simply the better option. The first option is obviously to make a coin from scratch. So go on X, right, or any social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, or whatever the right, and look for something trending like a meme, something funny, something viral, and make a meme coin off of it. Let's see what's up. Nah, that's bad. Actually doesn't know that's bad. I'm not sure what to make a coin on, but yeah, you get the gist. Once you have a good meme or narrative. Chapter 3. Token creation. Come back to create token at Solana token.Labs.io and then link your wallet. I'm rolling with Phantom wallet because it's quick and painless. After that, enter your token's name and short symbol. Mine's going to be Futardio, and its symbol also will be Futar. Now add the token logo you designed before. Click next, and boom, you're halfway there. Now you head over to token supply configuration. Your token decimals must be 9, and make sure your total supply is set to 1 billion tokens. There's a spot for a description too, so you can toss in a cool slogan or a clever one-liner to give it some personality if you have something in mind. Review it all, press continue, and you're still moving forward like a pro. The next screen is all about social media. This is your chance to add links to your website, Twitter, or other profiles you've created. But the truth is, Radium's platform will give your coin plenty of visibility anyway. Still, if your socials are set up, go ahead and include them. I didn't have mine ready for this coin, so I just moved past it with no issues. And off the toggle of social section. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana token.Labs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through the Pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put a moon or pump-like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana token.Labs.io. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO, like 2 alphabets in small. This next section is key. It controls what changes you can still make after your token's out there. You'll spot 3 toggle switches, but changing any might worry buyers. Freeze allows you to lock wallets, which seems dodgy. Minting means you can create more tokens down the line. And Update Authority lets you edit your token's info later. Best move, revoke all 3 options. So don't mess with the toggles, just smash that launch. Now your wallet will pop up with some confirmation windows. It's completely normal. Give each one the green light. And just like that, your token is officially live. On SolScan, you can check by just click to view token and it head over you to SolScan. Chapter 4. Add liquidity to the token. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Return to Solana token.Labs.io and select Create Liquidity Pool, which will immediately transition you to Radium's platform. Priority 1. Verify your wallet is properly connected. Now, the essential step, make our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to Solana token.Labs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Radium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now, we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting Futar as the symbol and Futardio as the project name. Press Add User Token to confirm. Then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.2 SO fee from your total amount, cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 2%. After triple checking all your inputs, select Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational, and the coin is tradable. Chapter 5. Promoting Meme Coin. Alright, promoting your meme coin in 2025 has literally never been easier. This is PromoteMemes.fun, your one-stop launch companion for instant exposure. Look at this lineup: Dex Screener, GMGN.ai, Birdeye, Dex Tools, SolScan, every major tracker that actually moves volume. When your coin's here, people notice. Scrolling to launch, trend, moon, that's where the magic starts. Let's connect the wallet. I'm using Phantom, super quick. Click Connect, approve, and boom, wallet linked. I'm pasting my token address. This is our live Futardio, fresh off Solana Token Labs. Next up, promotion tiers. You've got free, basic, advanced, and pro, all designed for different push levels. I'm picking the advanced 60-minute plan, 0.5 SOL for a full hour blast. Totally worth it if you want real traction fast. Now check this out, the include free website toggle. Yup, you can make your own site for free right here. Hit, and we're inside the customizer. Uploading our hooded Futardio, naming the project Futardio, switching the launchpad from Pump.fun to Radium Launch Lab, and setting the theme. Dark mode always hits better. Click Confirm. Website preferences saved pops up. Just like that, your coin has a legit home. Click on Pay and promote and approve the transaction. The platform's doing everything automatically while you chill. This is smart marketing, not manual grinding. Boom, website ready. Opening the live Futart site, logo up top, to the moon headline. Tracking links to Dex Screener, GMGN, Birdeye, Dex Tools. You build once, and Promote Memes pushes it everywhere. That's how you grow in 2025. Click on View on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for better visuals. And now, let's let the pump happen. We're already up a couple hundred. The market cap is at 1,000. Oh, it's dumping a bit, but I still believe it's going to go up. Guys, do not be emotional. Worst case scenario, if you only make a couple hundred, you can just move on to the next coin and just rinse and repeat until you reach that 10,000, 100,000 mark. Come on, it has to go up. Come on, the volume is decent now. I really do believe this coin is gonna go to like at least 10,000, 5,000. I'm not sure actually. We're going to see what happens, right? Okay, 20 bucks in my wallet. That's not bad. Oh, someone just sold for a lot of money. That's not bad. But guys, you have to remember that more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section. Okay, there's tons and tons of traders right now, trading and just trenching. So you will go. You're going to see results. Okay, you guys will see. Oh my god. Okay, that's a bit of proof that it's going to go up. Come on. I still believe that it's gonna go up. This is looking kind of bad. Come on, it has to go up, right? Let's go. Okay, 60 bucks. Come on. One more big buy. Okay, you know what? Anyways, I'm going to be right back. Okay, when I am back, we are going to make some money on this coin. You guys will see. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we are pushing $3,000 in market cap. The liquidity looks good. The transactions looks good. The volume looks good. Now, before it goes even downer, we're going to, remove the money. Chapter 6. Remove liquidity from the token. Let's rug this thing. To exit your position, head over to Radium. Ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the standard button you'll find in the bottom area. And there is your current position profit time. And as you guys can see, we are at a $1,800 profit in USD. That's not bad, bro, in a couple of seconds. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. Ignore everything except the SOL value. Choose to remove liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. Nothing beats this high. If I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made of this coin boom, almost 1,800 USD straight inside my Phantom wallet. Let's go. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel and join the Telegram down below.